So hey guys, Dylan here. Today I came out with 5 new mystery packs called Improved Ultimate, and I only made 5 packs, and I sold all 5 packs to my buddy Ryan, so I'm going to open up all 5 for him right now. So, as you can see, 13-14 Ultimate in the box. So, let's get started. So, pack number 1. Gotta remember, I'm doing this from my phone, so. So, in pack number 1, got Brody Svalbeek, rookie, Jesse Eunice, Young Guns, got a Peter Mueller dual jersey out of 50, a Steven Oletsky, NHL Inc., Steve Oletsky, a Cam Ward, Authentic Fabrics, and a patch of Jeff Carter. Let's focus on it says patch. I think that's focusing, I'm not too sure. But it is indeed a patch. So, and then finish off with a Paul Coffey MVP. So box 1 complete. I'll separate it for the hits, so maybe if it's not too long I'll go through all the hits again. I know I'm bad for box 2. Start with a Jean-Gabriel Perreault, Prism Rookie, Matt Samby, Young Gun, Patrick Wirekosh, Freshman Signatures, got a nice Daniel Sedin UD game jersey, Daniel Sedin, Totally Certified jersey of Nathan Horton, and a sweet 3-color, barely 3 but mainly 2, of Torrey Mitchell, and a Hart Candidates of Jeff Carter. Box number 3. So we start with a Scott Jackson, Hot Rookies, Sean Hunwick, Young Gun. Got a nice Ryan McDonough, Winter Warriors. Ryan McDonough. Michael St. Croc, an H&P Auto. I'm bad with names right now. Zach Parise, Authentic Fabrics, out of 100. Out of 100. Vincent Lecavalier, Jersey Prime. Vincent Lecavalier out of 150. And a Chris Stewart UD Canvas. Box 4. David McIntyre. David McIntyre Pinnacle Rookie. Chris Porter Young Gun. A nice Charlie Coyle Rookie Materials. Nick Petrecki Trilogy Auto out of $6.99. Won't be able to focus on that one, too shiny. Henrik Sedin Game Night. And a sweet patch auto, Nick Foligno, 2-color. That's out of 60. And a Adam Henrique MVP. So I'm trying to go quick so I can recap everything at the end for him quick, all the hits. But that's why I'm going through super quick now. So last box and last pack. So we got a Carson McLean, Hot Rookies, True Shore Young Gun. You get an extra hit in the last box, but behind the extra slit, if I can get it, is a Dino Ciccarelli UD game jersey. Got a Cameron Scrolling, Hot Rookies. Evander Kane, Authentic Fabrics. An Adam Graves stick piece. Very nice. Adam Graves. And a Prism of Jonas Hiller. So, I know this video is getting to be long, but so here were the hits to recap. I'll put what you just had at the end. So you got the Nick Foligno patch auto. Nick Foligno out of 60. Henrik Sedin game night jersey. Nick Petrecki trilogy auto out of 699. Charlie Coyle rookie materials. Vincent Lecavalier jersey prime out of 199 or 150, sorry, out of 150. 150. Zach Parise Authentic Fabrics Gold out of 100. Zach Parise. Michael St. Croc H&P Auto. Ryan McDonough. Nathan Horton, totally certified jersey card. Daniel Sedin, so you got the Twins. Daniel Sedin UD game jersey. Patrick Wirekosh, freshman signatures. Torrey Mitchell, 3-color jersey prime, and that is out of 50. Out of 50. Jeff Carter, 1-color patch. Cam Ward, Authentic Fabrics. Stephen Letzi, NHL Inc. Peter Mueller, dual jersey, out of 50. Treasured swatches. Adam Graves stick piece. That's really nice. Nice 3-color or 2-color multi-break. Authentic Fabrics of Evander Kane. Cameron Screlling, Hot Rookies auto. Dino Ciccarelli, UD game jersey. Plus you get the extra hit, buddy, which is awesome. And then these were the what weren't supposed to be in. These aren't your hits, but these will all be shipped out to you. So thank you for buying. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys want any, right now I am out, but I will be making more as soon as possible. Most likely tonight. So if you guys want some, make sure to message me and I will make some more. So thanks again, Ryan. I appreciate it, and I hope you enjoy. I'll get these out to you on Monday. So thanks again, guys, and I'll see you guys next time.